Hello everyone, I'm Nessie and this is an important update from OLSP system. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on subscribe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is something that I want to address that is very important, and I didn't mention that in my previous videos. So if you joined me in OLSP in the past, or you intend to join my team in OLSP and make money together with me, after you sign up, okay, I will leave my mega link under this video and you can sign up and join my team. But so after you sign up, OLSP system, they will send you your credentials. They will send you your password. You will get an email. In your first email is from OLSP. You will get an email with your password, and then you need to log in. You need to log into your account. After you log in, the first thing you need to make sure that I'm your referrer. Okay, over here it's your referrer. If you click on this link, on the first link here under your referrer, this page will open. This is my profile on Facebook. So you need to see Nessie Cohen. You should see my profile, okay? If you don't see that, contact support through the live chat. And also the email address, my email address starts with Nessie. So you should see my email address here and my Facebook profile here. If you don't see it over here, you unintentionally sign up under the website and not under me. So obviously I won't make any commissions, and I'm here also to make a living. So and I also want to help you and support you and to coach you. So when you join my team, you can whenever you want or you need, you can contact me through Facebook or WhatsApp, and you can get all the support and training. So it's very important that you see my details over here. If you don't see my details over here, you unintentionally sign up under the OLSP website and not under my account. So to fix that, to fix this issue, you click on the live chat, and this is a good opportunity to show you how you can open support ticket. So you click on the right hand side on the bottom, you click on live chat, and you can choose in department, you can choose general, and then you put your name. Okay, you write your name, you write down your name, your email address, and here in the message you write to the support team that you by mistake or unintentionally signed up under the website and not under me, and and I'm your sponsor and you want to be under me. You write that down, and you can contact me on Facebook. I will leave my Facebook details under this video in the details sections. So you contact me and I will give you my email address. I don't want to put my email address over here, so all the affiliate marketers in the world start to spam me. So you contact me on Facebook, you introduce yourself, and I will give you my email address, and then you put in the message, you write down my email address in addition to your explanation about the problem, and they will put you under me. They will move you under me, okay? So to fix the problem, fix the issue, and you click over here. After you put your explanation and your query, then you click over here, and it will send them the message. And most of the time they are live. So if you see the blue background, that means someone will answer your questions right now. If it's in gray, you can still send your message, and they will come back later when they are available. But now, for instance, they are there. So immediately you will get response from one of the support guys in OLSP. Okay. So if you want to join my team and start making money with me, OLSP is a great platform, especially for beginners. You can go back in my YouTube channel and see I made a lot of videos about OLSP and how you can earn from this platform, and it's very good platform, especially for beginners. Okay, so if you would like to join my team and would like to do a Zoom call with me, so the bonus is when you join my team, you can always make a schedule a Zoom call with me, or if you have few prospects, you can bring them over and I will help you to convert them into sales, because we are all here to make money online, right? So very important, the best tip I can give you about being successful with this platform is go through the training, guys. Go through the trainings and watch everything, especially the Facebook one-on-one, and learn how to earn from leaving comments on Facebook posts. So finish all the trainings. It's very important. It will save you a lot of time, and it's a really good shortcut. Finish all the trainings and then you can be successful. And one last tip that I'm going to give you today, and it's also in the training, the tip that I'm going to tell you today, guys, when you work when you use Facebook, try to add at least 20 to 30 people every day that are, it's better if they are in tier 1 countries. Okay, there are two categories for bringing good leads. This is how you can bring good leads. Focus on people from tier 1 countries, because you will get the higher commissions when you bring in leads from tier 1 countries. So tier 1 countries are USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and UK. Okay, 5 countries. And of course, you can bring people from Europe. You will get also good commissions because they are on tier 2 countries. And if you want, you can contact me and I can give you a list of all the commissions, all the commissions that you can earn in OLSP. There is a list of the tiers, the country tiers, and the breakdown of the commissions. So if you contact me, I will give you the link for this file. Okay, so focus on, and what I'm saying now, it's in the training, but I'm going to tell you it as well. So focus on people from tier 1 countries, and focus on people that are in the make money online niche, or business opportunities, people that are looking for ways to make money online, and people that are looking for work for home opportunities, and there are people that want to be entrepreneurs. Okay, so and you can find those people in groups, in Facebook groups that are obviously dealing with affiliate marketing, network marketing, and there you will find people that are interested and are exploring various, different opportunities. You can go, you can find those people when you scroll in a group. Let's take you go to a Facebook group and you go to, let's say you go to promote your business online. Let's say you join this Facebook group, promote, and you start scrolling down and you start going through the posts, and when you see and you look for comments, of people that are asking for info or things like that. And this is how you can get people that are interested in making money online, especially in groups that in the home-based business opportunities, or promote your business, or affiliate marketing. So this is the group that you should target. And if you want more groups, you can, if you join me, and I can give you few of the groups that I have, and I can share them with you. so you can save time, and I will show you which groups you can join. So this was my important update about OLSP. If you would like to join me, you can find the mega link, as I said, the mega link under this video, and you will find my Facebook profile, so you can message me and schedule a Zoom call or Microsoft Team call, and I will share my screen with you. So until next time, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I will quickly reply to you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.